How to turn off Google Play Protect. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily turn off the Google Play Protect. First thing you have to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you're logged into your account. Simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you are here, there are different options that you can see. You have Manage App and Device, then you have Notifications, Payments, and then you have Play Protect. All you have to do is tap on Play Protect, and then you will find your recently scanned apps here. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go to Settings, and you'll find the option to turn off the scan with Play Protect. Tap on this toggle and then turn it off. If you want to temporarily pause it, you could do that as well. Now just verify your fingerprint or your password, and then it should be turned off. Now you can just go ahead and turn it on back if you want it, but in order to pause it, you could just pause it for a certain time as well. And that's basically it. So that's how you basically turn off or pause the Play Protect scan on Android. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.